Hey guys, so this is a different type of video. Me and my husband, we went on a day date and we stopped at this place called Union Hall in Waco, Texas. It's a food hall that offers 20 different eateries that you will definitely enjoy, from pizza, tacos, wings, even desserts. So I definitely recommend this place if you ever stop in Waco. It is a good choice. And if you have that taste bud that you just like, you don't know what to choose from, do what me and my husband did. We stopped at I think about 4 or 5 of the different restaurants that were inside of this place, and I'm telling you, it was no disappoint. It was awesome. They're delicious, and we even gave us y'all a rating, so y'all can kind of see where our judgment is with what we like and don't like. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. What we got, babe?
Fish taco.
And then I also got the Korean barbecue taco. So he's putting his lime on there, and y'all gonna see us eat this. You trying this too? Ooh, Korean. Ooh, babe. Okay, so right here we got the chicken pop stickers, and you could either get them steamed or fried. And as you can see, we got them fried because I like fried. All right, we got the sauce. I don't even know what it tastes like. Is this like the soy? All right, I bet it is. I'm more of like sweet. Oh no, it is that soy sauce. I am confident in it.
What's the sweet soy sauce?
That's sweet?
I've never tasted that before. It's really good.
That's sweet?
Sweet and salty. Like sweet and salty.
I don't make it.
But normally you don't got any sweet. It's just salty. I like that.
Do you like fried, or you think you would have liked the Sonic? I like fried stuff. It's bad.
I like them both.
Alright guys, so we did get some teriyaki wings, and you get about 3 of them with a side of fish. They were so good. I know. Okay, so we got the chicken flautas with a whole bunch of cabbage on top, and then we got the refried beans with red rice and a sauce.
Rice is good. You know what?
What's that? Oh.
I'll tell you after you think about it.
Okay.
I still think ours is better. It's gonna be seasoned better. What about this one?
I don't know how to try that.
The guacamole? There we go.
Pretty good with it? Yeah, chicken too thick. Like that.
I'll probably say, I might say like a 7.
And then the
This should have been flavored.
yeah.
It's not bad.
All right, guys, so we're at Sub-Zero nitrogen ice cream, and I got peanut butter cup ice cream, I believe, and he got the mint, and they both were good. You see us going to be trying each other's. I mean, I like to end my day dates with a dessert. I could have gotten it from the Union Hall, but this is one of my favorite places to go. We like to take the kids, and so we just ended it here. Yeah, we had a good day, a good time together. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.